Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing with the Bing ads without creating a landing page. So affiliate marketing is a very popular way of making money online nowadays, and Bing ads is one of the best platforms to promote your affiliate offers. But if you're just starting out and don't have a landing page, you might be wondering how to proceed. In this video, I'll share with you a simple method that you can use to promote affiliate offers using Bing ads without creating any landing pages. This method is perfect for beginners who don't want to invest in a landing page or who don't know who don't have the skill of creating a landing page currently. So if you're ready to learn how to do affiliate marketing with Bing ads without a landing page, then keep watching this video, guys. Now let's move on to the process of doing affiliate marketing with Bing ads without a landing page. So in order to promote your affiliate offers without landing page, you need to create an ad that leads directly to the offer page, basically to your affiliate link. This means we will be using the affiliate page or the offer page as our landing page with Bing. So let me show you exactly how. So to do this, you will need a Bing ads account. You can sign up for free over there, and you need to sign up for affiliate network like Clickbank, Digistore or A4D or whichever affiliate network you like. And once you've signed up, you can follow my video and do affiliate marketing with that process. So let's move on to my computer screen and I'll show you exactly how you need to do it. So now let's move on to the process of doing affiliate marketing with Bing ads. So to do this, what we will do is first we will have to look for affiliate product that we want to promote. And here's a small tip for all the beginners here. What you can do is I would suggest you to look for products like the products that allow brand bidding, basically. So for example, if we open if we open XZPure's affiliate page and we see brand bidding here or keywords related. So affiliates may not bid on keywords on Google or Bing using XZPure in it or by XZPure, something like that. Okay, so you cannot use XZPure in your keywords. Okay, so for this product basically, so I would suggest so you will have to run ads on weight loss or something like that, like weight loss supplements, weight loss pills and all that. So if you just keep moving here, and there should be some like this TRB check. This product does not have an affiliate page, so you are allowed to do brand bidding on this. It has a decent gravity score also, and the average conversion is also good enough. So let's promote this product for today, and I'll show you exactly how it needs to be done. What you'll do is you'll click on promote here, and so I'll just put in my affiliate link ID then. Okay, so here is my encrypted hop link that Clickbank gives us. Okay, and we can keep this open for now. Okay, so this is the first step. You need to grab your affiliate link from here, and now you need to sign in to your Bing ads account as well. Okay, so now we'll go into our Bing ads account here. This is a new campaign page in Bing ads. Here you'll click conversions on my website, search ads, okay, and click next. Now just give it any name. For now I'll do TRB test, and you can put in your budget here. So this is a different currency here. It's not in rupees or not in US dollar. This is the Turkey currency. You can ignore this. and we'll choose the location as United States. Yeah, I would suggest using a budget of at least $100 a day. It will not spend your $100, but I would suggest using it. Okay, so we can type in United States and now click target. So I suggest targeting United States only. Most of the sales, like 90% of the sales, come from United States, and this is especially a Trump product. So if you see this product, okay, so this is Trump's TRB check product, which Trump is selling basically, and it's a good product, good landing page and everything. Okay, so this is the product. So we'll use United States only because Trump is from US. And yeah, so we'll target this people in your targeted location. People searching about the target location, you will remove this checkbox from here. Clicking keep English, and disclaimer and everything you can leave. So we'll go to the next step now. Okay, now your website URL. Here you need to enter the website URL. You will not enter your hop link here. You will have to enter this. So basically you will enter just this much, or you just need to enter this much. Okay, go back, just put in this, and go down keywords. So if you want to learn about keyword research, I've already created a couple of videos about it. However, for this product, this is TRB golden check. So you can simply just go to tools and keyword, and just search for keyword here. This is TRB golden check, and United States, get suggestions. Okay, we'll move to keyword suggestions. So you can see the searches are also increasing with a good amount, a good pace, and we can pick these keywords up: golden check, TRB golden, not the review one because you are doing brand bidding. So I suggest just TRB gold check or TRB golden check program, this one. So you can pick up keywords like these. Okay, so I'll just take this one for now, TRB gold check. Okay, and we can also take TRB golden check, and I suggest you put it in these angular brackets. So okay, just a second. So with this, what happens is it turns into exact match keywords, and it will only show up your ad when people are exactly searching for it. Okay, so for example, for now we can keep these keywords, and for keyword research, as I told you, you can check out my other videos which help you out with it. We'll give it ad group name, ad group 1 or something like that, and we'll just go to next step. Okay, we can do all this ad creation and everything. So first we'll create the ad. So now let me give you a quick tip. Final URL, you need to again enter the same, this one. Okay, and enter this URL here, and you will put in your headlines or whatever, you know, all these researches. You can check my other videos for that, like how you need to enter the headlines, descriptions. Basically you need to use your TRB gold check and the other, you know, keywords that you're using. You need to use those also here and in the descriptions as well. So for now I'll just let's use whatever it's recommending. Yeah, so you can put something like this, Now here you will go to add URL options. Okay, and in the tracking template here, you'll go back to Clickbank, you'll copy your affiliate link, and in the tracking template area you need to put in your affiliate link like that. Okay, and now you can just click test. Okay, this says landing page found. You can see landing page found, tracking call was successful, and everything was fine. Okay, so now you can just save and go to the next steps, and you can add your extensions and everything. All that is explained in my other videos. So this is the main process of how you run affiliate offers from Clickbank or any affiliate partner using Bing ads without using any landing page or anything like that. So we'll go to save and go to next step again. Okay, so this is from here you can it's the same as Google Ads only. Okay, but it's just that Google Ads does not allow you to do this process, but this Bing Ads does allow you to do it. Okay, so you can see now it's published. So that is how you create your affiliate campaigns using Bing Ads. And that's it. With this simple method, you can start promoting your affiliate offers on Bing without a landing page. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video for more videos like these. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.